Today, we're going to show you how to clean your shower door with the AquaglideXP Cleaning Kit by Basco. This easy step-by-step process will provide added protection to your shower enclosure. Everything you'll need for this project is included in the AquaglideXP Kit. Before starting, ensure adequate ventilation within the bathroom area before beginning the application process. First, you will prepare glass for treatment by thoroughly washing the surface with Clean. Clean is a restoration cream that minimizes water spotting on glass. It provides a hygienic foundation in preparation for applying the AquaglideXP cleaning products. Apply when the temperature is between 60 and 90 degrees. Do not apply in direct sunlight. Apply a generous amount of Clean to the cleaning pad. Rub the pad firmly in a small circular pattern over the surface until it is fully renewed. Apply a small area at a time. Allow Clean to dry until it appears chalky. Buff with a microfiber cloth until clear. Now you will apply Protect. Protect is a dirt repellent treatment for glass. It provides resistance to corrosion, oxidation, water staining, and the damaging effect of UV rays. Apply a generous amount of Protect to a dry microfiber sponge. Rub the sponge in a circular motion over the surface to ensure complete coverage over a small area at a time. Allow Protect to stand on the surface for 2 minutes. Buff to a shine with a microfiber cloth. Maintain Spray is the final step in the cleaning process. Maintain Spray is a safe and environmentally friendly water-based cleaner that dissolves and lifts oily grime and dirt for a quick wash without water. Simply spray on the door and wipe off with a microfiber cloth. Once your enclosure has been treated with the AquaglideXP Kit, reapply Maintain every few weeks or as needed to revitalize the protective coating and increase sheen and luster. Note: always dry your glass after showering with a microfiber towel or squeegee to keep your enclosure sparkling clean between treatments. This completes your shower door cleaning with the AquaglideXP Kit. For more information, visit bascoshowerdoor.com or call 1-800-45-BASCO.